Hi, my name is Blake Adams, and I did my article critique of the effect of shock valuation on the company's management. Some basic information about this article. The title is The Effect of Stock Valuation on the Company's Management, written by Samanhe, Sarafadan, and Elmira Mcia. Um, Published by Procedia Economics and Finance, Volume 36, published in 2016, pages 128 through 129. Authors believed the most successful form of stock valuation included an applicable model of stock valuation that can be communicated between management and shareholders. The author's hypothesis proves to be correct. Utilizing proper resources and deepening understanding of stock valuation between company parties creates a more effective stock valuation. Both theoretical and mathematical models prove to be necessary. The abstract portrays a concise, relevant summary of the article findings, as well as a brief statement explaining the reasoning behind evaluating effectiveness of stock valuation. Researchers evaluated company finances, non-industry companies, and mathematical findings to conclude their fair results to the study. For example, the Gordon model was used to place a numerical value on a company's stock valuation. The experimental methods used are explained in great detail. They also show the researchers' great understanding of the science behind stock valuation. This article is used as a statement of why the research done by this study is important for a bigger picture. Stock valuation is needed for both the shareholders and upper management. Therefore, having a research model to determine a company's stock valuation is necessary for its success. In the article, questions are asked that can relate to the relevancy of research explained further in the article and is represented in the introduction. The article holds reasoning behind why a theoretically based stock market valuation model is not enough for accusation valuation of companies, because they do not depict pragmatic evidence. However, the solutions to the models when used with the study's data was not definitive and defined in the conclusion. The researchers may have written out the models in detail, but they did not write out the actual numerical values as irrefutable. The study could not be duplicated with the same exact information used because the researchers used companies with expiration periods before March. The time gives the data an expiration date. The authors overemphasized the importance of the mathematical models. The conclusion is based off of theoretical solutions, while the majority of the article is based off of mathematical approaches. Instead of simply defining theoretical foundations, the authors could have implemented their study's data with the theoretical evaluations. Both the abstract and conclusion state to integrate both mathematical and theoretical models, but the problem described is that theoretical models are not strong enough to conclude a result. The author did cite only useful sources, such as recent study dates around the time of the research and direct information from the leaders of various models. Enough data was used but not supported in the conclusion. I would suggest adding more to the theoretical models, equal to the explanation of the mathematical models.